Right now, Bitcoin is breaking down, and in this exact video, I will be talking about my price targets, but more importantly, I will be talking about the levels where I think Bitcoin is heading towards next. So I will be going over the most important charts and patterns that are currently unfolding here in the market. So don't forget to stick around till the end of the video because we will be discussing some very important charts. And as well, can we once again slap up that like button above 400 likes, just like we did on yesterday's update video. That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin on the immediate short term, we can currently start to see that exactly Bitcoin volatility turned up once we were expecting it was going to be turning up. Of course, the reason why the volatility turned up was due to the fact that the Federal Reserve was hiking the interest rates by 75 basis points. And after we saw the interest rate hike, the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market straight away pumped towards the upside like we have been expected. It has been pumping towards the upside in approximately 2.7%. And after the news basically came out, we started to see the market come down again towards lows of an approximately $20,000 for Bitcoin. Right now, we're starting to see a small little recovery in the price action of Bitcoin, but we can currently clearly see that this previous support target is currently getting retested, and so far it is providing resistance here on the 15-minute time frame. And this could be well a signal that Bitcoin can potentially start to see another leg down getting created from this point onwards. Furthermore, once looking at the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, we have been looking at this very important consolidation phase, and like you can clearly see on this pattern, we have finally started to be breaking towards the direction, and currently we've been seeing a breakdown, and so far we've been moving down approximately 1.7% towards the downside. The realistic target I will be talking about for this pattern is between the $19,000 and 19.8k, but in my opinion I should already start to take more profits off the table around 19.8k, but even it could be a possibility that the price target is going to be getting reached all the way down towards $19,000. But in my opinion, what is currently a smart choice is to start taking profits on this exact breakdown right here between levels of 19.8k and 19.4k. What also could be a possibility is that we're going to be starting to see a fake out. So if I extend the lines here, we can currently see that the resistance line and support line of course are still trading around here, but currently the support will be providing resistance again. But if we do break clearly above 20.5k, I honestly do expect there could be a possibility for either further more upside. So please keep your eyes wide open. If we break above the 20.5k level, so above these important resistance lines right here, there could be a possibility that Bitcoin is either going to see a further continuation towards the upside getting generated. But also really looking at the 1 hour time frame, it is very likely that actually Bitcoin is going to see a rejection from off this point, because we're currently retesting previous support. Well, most likely, I say most likely, this of course not necessarily have to be happening, is going to be providing significant resistance and going to be sending Bitcoin towards the downside once again. So looking at that, we can also look at the 4-hourly time frame. The 4-hourly time frame, if I extend that support target, is currently getting retested as resistance. And so far, we officially have not broken the floor price. So we're looking at the symmetrical triangle, but what I see as well here on the 4-hourly time frame is that we have this floor price, like you can see, right? So we are seeing the $20,000 as the level where Bitcoin bounces from every single time. And currently, we can start to see that we're forming somewhat of a double top with that neckline. And the neckline, like you can also see over here, is the support. The neckline is the support, and so far this here is the neckline, and it has been providing support for already 3 times in a row. However, if we do break below it, if we do see a confirmed break below $20,000, it is extremely likely that we're going to see more continuations happening towards the downside, and then we could even extend our short target towards levels around $19,000. So it really depends. Are we going to be breaking below that 20k target? If we are going to do so, we are probably going to see more downside getting created for Bitcoin. But if we do not break below $20,000, it could still be a signal that Bitcoin has got more steam, that it can be pushing back towards the upside from this point onwards towards the upside. If you really want to be benefiting, if Bitcoin, let's say, is going to be breaking down, don't forget to check out Bybit and BitGet in the link in the description. These are 2 very good trading exchanges where you can be opening longs and shorts. And I always think that you should diversify your crypto over multiple exchanges, because that is just smarter in terms of risk management. And also, both of these exchanges are offering insane deposit bonuses. And like I've been telling for the past already, in the bear market, you want to be benefiting from these insane deposit bonuses, because they basically allow you to open up free trades and basically make money with the deposit bonuses, what is extremely extremely profitable. So make sure to check them out in the link in the description right now if you are interested in trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies right here. Furthermore, if I'm looking at the 4-hourly time frame for Bitcoin, we're still trading in the parallel channel. So far, we've been seeing a clear rejection from the top side. And I mean, there's not necessarily anything changing yet so far. So far, historically speaking, every single time we've been seeing a breakdown. Will it once again happen? We just have to wait and see how it's going to be playing out. But so far, the parallel channel is not even close by seeing a breakout towards the upside. We are actually closer towards the middle line right now. Then here on the daily time frame, still guys, I mean, I pointed it out every single day yet so far. The 20.6k is just critical resistance for Bitcoin to break, and just like yesterday, we got rejected once again. Once we do break above 20.8k towards 20.6k, I honestly do think we can start to see significant upside getting created, but as long as we're not doing so, it is just still the main resistance to be breaking. And like you can see, it has been a historical level with a lot of significance on the chart. So yeah, this is important to be looking at right now. But then one of the most craziest signals is currently flashing, and I want to be pointing this out to everyone out there on the channel, because currently we can see that the MACD once again is starting to be crossing in towards bullish territorium. You can start to see that it is crossing and ending the bearish momentum, and every single time that bearish momentum basically ended on the market, it has historically identified that the market has been swinging back towards the upside, and this signal is once again flashing right now. So make sure that you are going to be paying attention towards this signal right here. Anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy the update video, don't forget to slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to be seeing more of this daily update content, and of course don't forget to check out the videos that are currently popping up above that will help you to make passive income in the industry. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, goodbye.